The AH-1Z Viper is an advanced attack helicopter developed by Bell Helicopter for the United States Marine Corps. It evolved from the legendary AH-1 Cobra series, designed to provide superior close air support, anti-armor capabilities, and modern battlefield dominance. The Viper serves as a dedicated attack helicopter, excelling in close air support, escort missions, and anti-armor warfare. Its agility and heavy firepower make it a formidable force multiplier. The AH-1Z officially entered service in 2010, replacing older Cobra variants, and remains the backbone of Marine Corps rotary wing attack aviation. Widely known as the Viper, its sleek design and lethal strike capabilities earned it the nickname, symbolizing speed and deadly precision. Powered by two General Electric T700GE401C turboshaft engines, the Viper achieves a top speed of around 255 km per hour, 158 miles per hour, with exceptional maneuverability, ideal for combat operations in hostile environments. Equipped with advanced avionics, the Viper features the Target Sight System (TSS), helmet-mounted displays, and night vision technology, enabling pilots to track, engage, and destroy targets with unmatched accuracy. The AH-1Z carries a 20mm 3-barrel M197 cannon, Hydra 70 rockets, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, offering a versatile arsenal for both air-to-ground and air-to-air combat. The Viper is built for survivability, featuring armored crew seats, crashworthy systems, infrared suppressors, and electronic countermeasures to enhance battlefield endurance. The AH-1Z has been combat-proven in Iraq, Afghanistan, and global marine operations, providing relentless firepower, precision strikes, and vital protection for ground troops.